Updating your primary email on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email settings are current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Select your email account. In the Account Settings window, you will see a list of your email accounts. Click on the email account that you want to set as your primary email. Step 4. Set as default. With your desired email account selected, click on the Set as Default button. This will change your primary email address to the one you selected. Step 5. Close and restart Outlook. After setting your primary email, close the Account Settings window and restart Outlook to ensure the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email in Outlook. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the Help section or support resources for further assistance.